nongelam ka liang persha jong ka ying dor ba thawain ka jilla ubadeiru nongelam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Tarimal Congress Dr. Mukul sangma habatakran ting ya ka chingkan tho Chief Executive Member ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Tuliram ronghang ulong ba ka sorkar jilla kala dei ban register case persha yo ubalawan ban theh petrol ya ka ding ka bala kalang jong ka jingsha set yap kisangut ki brio ki bolului hakasnong mukro habai krenbo Dr. Mukul sangma ulong ba ka tei ka jingle jong Tuliram kalong thek bo wan bandang pensit shushu yak ei kablaja hapo kasnong mukro nak jingsha set yap hakipulet asam ya sangut kibriu nak te kasnong kabodon western hills district.
You say again, it's like trying to add fuel to fire. It's actually an attempt to add fuel to fire.
Hello.
I have said that this whole unfortunate incident, which resulted in brutal killing of our innocent lives in Mukul, is precisely because of this attitude of the government authorities. Therefore, people of the state, people of both the states, Assam and Meghalaya, must know that this is nothing but an offshoot of the impunity with which both the government has been addressing these concerns of the people pertaining to alleged harassment, atrocities of innocent villagers, most vulnerable group of families who are residing in villages across Assam Meghalaya border.
Extortion also.
That's why this harassment and atrocities covers everything, Now, another, when we are trying to see restoration of order because of the effort of the people, you have another man who holds a constitutional position coming and adding fuel to fire. In fact, the government of Meghalaya should immediately register a case against him for inciting. It's an incitement. It's an instigation. It's an instigation to people who are empowered with the so-called authorities. That is what is emboldening the law enforcing agencies. So, a case must be registered by government of Meghalaya for inciting the kind of lawlessness, the kind of situation which can unfold because of the irresponsible statement which is intentional and provoking.